What's up, guys? It's still OCHI Tochi, and we are here in Tochi's Graphic Academy, the Genius Creators. This happens to be our first tutorial video, and then before I share with you the purpose of this video, we pray that God leads us through. I would wish to remind you that there are two things you should take note of whenever you are starting a life journey, just as you are opting to become a graphic designer. The first thing is to have a target. Your target is you want to become a graphic designer. And then the second is to make all possible sacrifices to actualize that. Try as much as possible that in the end, you become the graphic designer you hope of becoming. It's very important. Okay, so guys, that was just by the way. We zoom straight away into the purpose of this tutorial. You bear with me that every professional should have a workspace. That is a place that you go and you have your duties sorted out. And so where you go and have your duties sorted out is said to be your workspace. And the workspace is stocked with tools that will help you achieve that target. And so as we being graphic designers, our smartphone becomes our workspace. So your smartphone is your workspace, and the apps that you have installed on it helping you to achieve your design purposes are your tools. And so this video is just aimed simply at guiding you or introducing to you some fundamental applications and how to install and get them ready for use. So let's start right away. So this happens to be my phone screen. I scroll to my right. I have already, sake of the purpose or sake of this video, I managed to download the two basic and very much important apps for this tutorial and even for throughout our journey. Now, this on the left is PixArt and the one on the right is Remove BG. Now, to get these apps, they are readily available on App Store. So if you are using Android, it's on the Google Play Store. You can just search PixArt and download it. Similarly, for Remove BG, you can do that. Those with iOS, that's iPhones too, you can go to Apple Store and then get them downloaded. Once you have downloaded them, I'm going to help you with the launching and how to make them ready for use. The first, I'm beginning with the Remove BG. So you just tap on the Remove BG and launch. Okay, so as it is launching, I want to put this forth. Now, Remove BG, just as its name shows, remove background. And so it is helping you to remove background of images. Whenever you have an image, focus on the image and see the main element of the image. So the main item on the picture is your main element. Now, the surrounding aspect or the stuff behind the image is the background. So as a graphic designer, you deal basically most of the times with images. And so if there are some designs that will require that you exclude their backgrounds. And so this app is going to be very helpful in helping you to remove those backgrounds and to get singularly those images to paste on your designs. Good. And so this is the interface. It is telling us to upload the image, and so you just tap on the blue button here and then you give it access to your storage. You allow it and then you tap on this. That's your gallery, and then you move straight away into the image that you want to use. So with this tutorial, I would want to help with my own image. I have my image here. So that is it. So the background was a white background here. Now the black and white shows transparency, meaning the background has been removed and the place is now empty. All right, so to download it, you just tap on this download. You just tap on this download and it downloads. Very, very nice. That is it. So as you can see, the background has been removed. Previously it was white, now it is gone. Now you can use it on your images. One thing I want to put across is remove BG helps you to remove background of images which are less than 13 megabytes. So the maximum image you can handle is up to 12 megabytes. So check the specs of your images before you use remove BG. Now you can pull it down to add another one, that is, as you are going to use it for your work. You need to only always search for the upload button before you can get access to adding another image. Now let's go to PicsArt. All right, so PicsArt on my left, we tap on it to launch. Now this is how PicsArt shows. On the first access to PicsArt, it opens and it will give you the option to create an account. It wouldn't be necessary that you create an account. It is not a necessity that you do that. And so just tap on this button, this skip button. But if you want to create an account too, you can use your Google account or Facebook account or create a special account for PicsArt. So we skip. Now you can tap on this cancel sign. Now you give it access by tapping on allow. Good. So this happens to be a PicsArt interface. Good. Now let's tap on this cancel so that I'll show you the main interface. Now this is the main interface of PicsArt. It has the home button here, which has inspiring images. The inspiring section presents you with some designs that people have done, which you can tap on try to present those same effects on your images. Now generated by AI too is the same concept. Edited by Masters too is the same concept. Discovery also, just as discovery means that you are being exposed to things on your own. Like you go there, you search, and then you see designs that people have done. Then you also opt to do some or any other thing. So there's a button for background. You can search for background contents, search for templates, search for stickers. You can opt for Facebook designs, YouTube designs, logos, posters. You can take time and go through. That is discovery for you. On the far right here, that's where you add an account. Since we skipped it earlier, I wouldn't talk much on that. This is champion clap there. That's a button talking about challenges. That is people you design, you make designs and then you put it forth for challenge. So others have made these designs and they have put it forth for competition. So you see very, very nice images or designs that people have done and they've put forth for challenge. Now, our main aim for this is to center on the plus sign here, that is the create button, which would bring us to the end of this video, because in our subsequent video, which is the next video, I'll talk much into the tools and how we are going to make good use of PicsArt. Okay guys, so I'll just land here, and I think it has been a nice time with you, and I'll say your questions are duly welcome. You can just send your question to us, and then in the group we will just fix it for you. Okay, so we come to a closure, and I will entreat that you should try as much as possible to download all the apps and then get them ready for use. Okay, thanks to God, and I will say this is still your humble servant Tochi. Catch you up in the next video. Thank you.